Friends, welcome. In this video, you'll learn Bitcoin update where we can take trades, order flow, and clusters. Let's come to this chart to see what's going on at this moment and what could be potentially could be the next. First, when we analyze BTC, as always, we start from a bigger time frames to understand globally what's going on at this moment. And globally, you can see that the price at this moment in the middle of this massive range. And at this moment, major question, where is the key liquidity and what could be potentially the next? If you go to a heat map, many of you see something like this. On a heat map at this moment, key liquidity below 24,000. On a lower time frame heat maps, it is key liquidity nearly 28,000 area. Price were close to take it, but didn't take it. What based on these plans and heat maps we can assume? We can assume that with bigger possibilities, this downtrend will continue with bigger possibility. But how price will drop? Will it be like this one? For example, range, stop loss hunt both direction after the drop, or it would be like this one drop. No one knows. That's why we built plans, ideas that we can potentially trade. And by the way, right at this moment in the comments, before I share with you clear plans, how many of you were yesterday on a live stream where we traded live, and do you like it? And write few ideas what we can improve. That's why. What is my plan, my friends? First and best scenario, it is first scenario. If Bitcoin reach this area approximately 28,000, and here we face significant sell volume, that would be the best place to take short trade for continue of this downtrend. It would be best place. What I mean by significant volume, I mean exactly this one. Example for you, like this one. Have a look into high, really beautifully, really significant volume. It is clusters. What this stuff shows to you? It shows to you amount of coins that were traded in this candle. And as numbers closer to red, it means bigger volume. Like at this moment, 5,000, 6,000. Like in this tiny area, a lot of coins traded, thousands, 10 of thousands, hundreds of thousands. That's really good because you can see how from this such tiny area price did really beautiful reversal. At this moment, you can compare clusters of BTC. And at this moment, there is no such volume that we can compare to this high. That's really bad because when you take trades from big volume and volume in proper area, you have insane accuracy. And at this moment, there's no insane accuracy at this moment. That's why first plan, as I told you, it's exactly reaching this area. What about another plan? In a case if price broke below this POC, for example, price breaks, let's make it yellow. Another plan, another color. About another plan, we have at this moment POC of this massive range at 26,000 approximately. And in a case if price breaks below this POC, with bigger possibilities, this POC could become key resistance. This stuff happened really a lot on BTC and Ethereum. And if something like this happens, it would be really good to consider taking a short trade. In what case I will consider, like in some of you would ask me, okay, but Yuriy, can BTC rise? Potentially everything can happen. Even a comet can hit our beautiful earth. But in reality, we need to trade where we have good preconditions and where potentially good areas where I can trade. I like to trade when price reach some liquidity zones or bounce from some significant volume. And at this moment, next local liquidity zone only here, this one. Only here. Only here, my friends. Let me show it to you. Next liquidity zone, exactly here. What this stuff means that only here for me it would be really comfortable to consider taking long. Or another scenario, if someone would start taking trade start buying a lot of BTC immediately by using market orders. It is the same as example for you, like yesterday, my trade on BNB. In one moment, someone started buying a lot of BNB coins, and after I took scalp long from that big volume. But in all these cases, I must react exactly when price moves. That's why, super easy summary at this moment, we consider taking short from one of these areas, this area, or if price breaks below POC from this area. For longs, we need significant buy volume. What you need to do right now, consider subscribe, because we create a lot of content that will help you make money. Also here I prepared for you lessons about candles, how to see all this stuff, and also if you're a beginner, I also prepared playlist for beginners so that you can start properly. See you soon. Watch this lesson. Bye.